reviews creating two-way frequency tables. There's two different types of questions, so let's take a look. First type of question is when you're given a Venn diagram. The Cold Begone Company conducted a study where 100 participants were assigned to either receive cold medicine or not receive cold medicine. And the Cold Begone Company then recorded whether the participants' cold lasted longer than 7 days, right here, or not. And the Venn diagram shows their data. So I'm just using these numbers and placing them in the right spot. So 27 is in the cold medicine bubble, but not longer than 7 days. So cold medicine, but not longer than 7 days. This number is in the cold longer than 7 days, so definitely here, top row, but not in the cold medicine bubble, so 20. This one is in the middle. They got the cold medicine and their cold was longer than 7 days. Cold medicine, longer than 7 days. And then this number out here is not related to either. No cold medicine, not longer than 7 days. So the Venn diagrams tend to be a little more straightforward. Let's look at the next type of question to see where it gets a little more challenging and where the pencil tool will really help us out. With these types of questions, I'm going to zoom out. With these types of questions, it would be best if you used the drawing tool because it's going to give us some information about totals. Remember, so I'm going to split these up. Remember that in the last column of two-way frequency tables, there are the total columns. Okay, so these are the totals. Same thing down here. I'm just going to put a T. It's the total column. So Jonas knows the following information about 19 members in his travel group. That's the total amount of members. That's the total. It does not go in a box. It's just the total. 5 members have been to both the U.S. and Austria. U.S. and Austria, 5 members. 11 members in total have been to the U.S. That doesn't go in one of the boxes. It's the U.S. group total, 11. Now, could you figure this box out? I hope so. 12 members in total have been to Australia. So not this box, the total visits to Australia right there. Now we can start to fill in our boxes. If 5 went to Australia out of 11 in total, 6 have not. If 5 have been to both and there were 12 total of the Australia trips, 7 goes in that box. Now, I don't know this box yet, but I could figure out some other totals. 19 total people minus the 12, 7. I start to see this. Or 19 minus the 11 is 8. Now I can see it's a 1 because 7 plus 1 is 8, 6 plus 1 is 7. And all together, look at my total. 5 plus 7 is 12, plus 6 is 18, plus 1 is 19 is my total. Now you have to remember these numbers in the boxes to type. 5, 6, 7, 1. 5, 6, 7, 1. You could turn the pencil back on to make sure you typed it right. And I did. I can check. So with these ones, making the total columns would be really helpful. See me if you need extra assistance.